So today we are going to see what happened for next day Nifty expiry, which is going to be very interesting, and I'll tell you how the stop loss hunting also happens. So let's get started with the pre-open market. We'll just note all the basic stuffs where the trader have to notice the first thing in the morning. Okay, so here it's a flat open for Nifty. Bank Nifty was also a flat open. When you check all, so almost 900 plus stocks were positive, 600 were negative, which is an indication of a very good sideways market. Okay, so it's just taking a bit. My system is a little bit slow, so yeah, pardon me for that. So we'll move on. Anyway, you can check for yourself. So here, participant wise OI data. Here also when we check the FII data, only 60k were in positive, while 1,43,000 was in negative. So which is in the ratio of almost nearly 1:3. They are bearish. So in the short term, market might go down. Okay, so yeah, market is actually trying to catch up. Let's wait and watch what happens after the 90 days pause has been removed, or what all the global news is going to affect our market. So here next, so these are the news you can actually check. And when you come to stocks, I would just take for just next week. Okay, maybe next week. Yeah, here. So you see, these are the upcoming news. So we have ICICI, HDFC, and yeah, Thursday. So stocks news were almost positive, so that's why you can see HDFC was running up. And then we have Saturday also, which is positive news, so there is a chance of having a gap up, and then we can see the profit booking. Okay, so these are the news coming up, or the stock results. So you can check all the stocks which might have a very good bull run. Okay, so this is the holiday. Next is 1st May. We have Thursday holiday, so we'll see a good decay on that day. Okay, now we have stocks. Let's see the best performing and worst performing. So worst performing was Wipro, 4% down. Hindalco and Techem were 0.3% down. And on the positive side, we have Eternal, which is the new entry, with 4% up. Sun Pharma 3% up. ICICI Bank 3% up. Interestingly, you can see all the other stocks also was performing more than 3%, like Bharti Airtel and Bajaj Finserv. Okay, which is going to be a very good impact. So here we have the contributors. So for Bank Nifty, definitely it's going to be HDFC and ICICI Bank. And for Nifty 50, the same would do. Okay, so Reliance was also additionally. So these are the top 3 which will definitely affect our Nifty index movements. Okay, now we will go to price action, and let's understand a bit about profit booking and what call writing does to the market. Okay, now, so when you check watch list, so IV is definitely being in range. So from 24 it has come down to 15, and here premium was very high, and then here premium has came to its average value. Okay, so you see very good performance, and everything was positive thanks to all the very good stocks which has almost performed very well. Okay, now let's start with Nifty price action. So I'm taking 1 minute chart here, 1 hour chart here, so that you can understand in a very better way. So yeah, so you see here April month, so this was the open. So all the previous day SL hunting zone will be this place. Okay, so here call writing was done, added, and then they have dragged the market to the bottom. And from here you see market was slowly going up, and then here all the SL hunting started, and then you see boom, when the open has crossed, you see how nicely market was doing its profit booking. So this area is basically profit booking. Okay, so the same is repeated in Bank Nifty. You could see how the April month open, when it crossed, it was a spike because of the SL hunting. Since when I draw this line, so you could be see so much of SL has been collected here, which market was easily able to take. These are all very good SL hunting zone places. You can check for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty by yourself. Now I just have to show you the OI. So we'll start with Nifty zone. Okay, I just couldn't spell zone correctly. Okay, so this is Nifty. Basically, you see here put writing is up. Whenever put writing is up, so this also increase, price also increase. Okay, so put writing up means price action will go up because they are directly proportional, and call writing goes up, then they are inversely proportional. That means prices will go down. So this is the simple logic between put writing and call writing, while put buying and call buying has a very straight value. Okay, so if call buying happens, market will go up. If put buying happens, market will go down. While this is not the same case when it is for writing. Okay, so here also writing clearly makes a mark, and that's why prices were going up. Okay, so now we'll check Bank Nifty as well. So sorry, I went for Finnifty. So Finnifty and Midcap Nifty basically is your homework you have to do for by yourself. So we'll check for Bank Nifty. The same condition applies here also. Okay, so since we have holiday Good Friday on Friday, there is a greater chance market can go sideways for this week, or we can see a little bit of profit booking. So that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.